I think a lot of people are afraid of bats, but there's really no reason to be afraid of them. They're just another little wild animal, but it's just important not to try to grab them or anything. Just like any wildlife, leaving them alone to do their own thing. But look at that face. There's no reason to be scared.
My name is Carly Trujillo, and I just graduated with my bachelor's degree in biology from MSU. And I currently work in Dr. Georgia Autiri's Bat Lab. So I started my undergrad career at the University of Utah, and there I felt more like a number rather than a student. So I wanted to find a different place where I fit in more, and that worked better for me. So I found Missouri State, and when I started here, I immediately felt that connection with professors and these smaller class sizes where I felt like I mattered, and these professors really cared about me as a person and a student and my learning. As an undergrad, I was taking Dr. Georgia Autiri's Bio 122 class, and she was talking a lot about her research and going and doing field work, and I thought it was so interesting. So I reached out to her to see if I could get involved in the lab, and she brought me on as an undergrad. Reaching out to her was the first step for me to get involved in this lab that eventually led to me staying in her lab for my master's. So when I first joined the lab, I started on a project for a master's student who was looking at behavior in bats. So I was looking at thermal videos of those behaviors, and seeing those bats in those videos was so amazing to me, and I thought it was super cool. So I wanted to stay in the lab and continue learning about the other research questions that the lab was asking and about bats in general. I chose to do my master's at MSU after graduating with my undergrad at MSU because I love working with the people in the bio department. They are some exceptional people, and I've learned a lot from them. I especially love working with my advisor, Dr. Georgia Autiri. She has taught me so much, and I wanted to continue working with her and studying bats in Missouri. I love the bio department, especially because the professors are so amazing about giving you opportunities to learn more and to ask questions, and they're more than happy to help you learn those things. So I wanted to stay in that fun learning environment. After I finish my master's at MSU, I want to continue my education in a PhD. I'm not sure where yet, but I do know I want to continue research with bats.